White Pass is one of three important east-west corridors connecting Washington across the Cascade Mountains. On December 9th, the Washington State Department of Transportation closed US 12 when torrential rain saturated the hillside, causing 3 washouts and a rockfall event. When the heavy rains pounded the rocky slope above US 12, loosened rock fell to the road, filling the ditch and plugging culverts. The deluge of water in the overflowing ditches would find new paths across the road, and the soil supporting the road quickly gave way.
About a week ago, we had a pretty good rainstorm up here that created a good mudslide coming off of this hillside here. Ended up washing out this portion of the roadway, and try to do what we can here and safely and as fast as we possibly can so that we can get this roadway opened up.
With the corridor impassable to traffic, its repair and reopening became the top priority of the Washington State Department of Transportation.
The shoulder part of the lane washed out. We responded immediately and we got a contractor on board, brought them up, and our solution here is to do what we call a soil nail wall. It's about an 1.5 inch diameter bolt that they drill back into the hillside about 20 feet, and then they grout it, and then we put some fabric over top of it, and that's what holds the hillside together for us in the interim. And then we're going to try to get this open to at least a single lane as soon as possible, and then move towards a permanent solution in the future.
Approximately 8 miles west of the summit, an additional 2 washouts occurred between mileposts 141 and 142. While one washout was seemingly minor, an even larger one ate away at the eastbound lane and threatened the entire road. Thanks to the help of a UAV equipped with a video camera, crews were able to see the full scale of the damage and what precautions needed to be made to keep everyone safe while working to reopen the corridor. On the west side of the pass, it took 1,000 dump truck loads, 10,000 cubic yards of material to fill in the washouts and make the road stable for the remaining lane. The east side of the pass required 47 soil nails covered in steel mesh and shotcrete to stabilize and rebuild the slope. Maintenance and construction crews worked around the clock to reopen US 12 within 14 days of the closure. This solution will help keep US 12 stable and open to alternating one-lane traffic until a permanent solution can be constructed in the spring.